Hey guys, today I'm just going to show you how to install your Divi Duplicate Any Page plugin that you would have gotten from the Elegant Themes Marketplace. This plugin is going to be a free plugin for people to use. Essentially, I just wanted something that worked similar to Duplicate Post from Yoast SEO or any of the other page duplicators, but was more refined to work for Divi. So my team and I created Divi Duplicate Post, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to install it. So what you want to do is you want to click on Add Plugin. Now you would have downloaded a zip file from the Elegant Themes Marketplace, and we're just going to drag and drop that zip onto the choose file. And we're just going to click on Install Now. And once that's loaded, you're just going to click on Activate Plugin. And this is something we've added to the new plugins. You can see here, instead of it being found under settings, you can now see a little Divi Perfect dashboard. And when you click on either the Divi Perfect text here or the dashboard text, it's going to take you to this page here. And you can just go to settings, and from here you can just see some of the other plugins we are working with. They're not currently available. I think so far we just have the smooth scroll, the image compressor, and the duplicate post coming soon to the Divi Marketplace. But for this tutorial, let's just stick to the duplicate post, and we're just going to go to settings. And you can see here, you can set your different types of posts that you would like to duplicate. So this would be your post pages, media, and projects. And you can also just add some information before and after, should you wish to the actual pages when you duplicate them. And you can see here how you would like to set your duplication status, and whether or not to open it or return to the original post. And then something we've added here is includes Divi builder data. So we thought this was very important, which is one of the reasons why we wanted to just have this created. And that's essentially the whole reason we've done this plugin, just for this little feature right here. So let's just head up to pages. It's going to go pages. And from here, I'm just going to duplicate one of the pages I've been working on my live site. So you can see here the duplicate post. So I'm just going to click on here, duplicate. And you can see here it's created a perfect copy. It's copied my Yoast SEO as well as all of my other features. And I'm just going to click on publish quickly. And now I'm just going to head over to the live page. And you can see here it's created a perfect copy of my page that I've set up. And that's it. That's as simple as the plugin is. If you guys have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to ask me, and I'll be more than happy to help.